If your Sky remote suddenly stops responding, start with the most common fix, the batteries. Sky Q remotes use two AAA batteries, while Sky HD remotes use two AAA. Replace them with fresh batteries and double-check the positive and negative ends are inserted correctly. This alone fixes most remote problems. If new batteries don't solve it, you'll need to repair the remote. For a SkyQ remote, press and hold the home and 00 buttons together for about 5 seconds until the LED flashes amber. You can also pair it through the box by going to Settings is greater than Setup, is greater than Remote, Control is greater than Pair Remote. For Sky HD remotes, press and hold the Sky button, then press Select and 9 together until the light blinks twice, and enter your TV's 4-digit code if required. If pairing still fails, try a full remote reset. Remove both batteries, hold any button for 10 seconds to drain leftover power, then reinsert the batteries and pair again. You can also reset the SkyQ box itself by unplugging it for 30 seconds, then plugging it back in and waiting about 2 minutes for it to reboot before repairing the remote. If issues continue, check for interference from routers or LED lights near the box. Ensure the unit has proper ventilation and install any available software updates in Settings, then Setup, then System Details. A factory reset is the final option, but it will erase recordings.